gonna be parked your car?
Yeah, if it's still there, I can't get off. Ah. Ah. Okay, love you, bye. Good for that. Like that. Oh. Hey, that changed to the mile. Oh, miles per hour. I was reading wrong. 12.3 miles. I was looking at the bottom. Say how many miles per hour. I was in like 14 miles an hour. So I just turn off.
Can you hold my bike?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
You need to step through, right? I gotta lean it to you.
Yeah, I know.
Go ahead. I got it. Don't kick me in the face now.
You hold
Yeah.
the brake though. Let me turn this off.
I got it. Okay. Move it to your right a little bit.
Yeah, right
Slow.
here.
Huh?
Oh, let go. I got straight up. Oh. Oh.
I got a great idea. Why don't I just push you over and pull that bike over with me now?
I gotta catch my breath. Oh.
I was gonna check out the lake front. Oh, I can walk in the bushes there for the lake. Okay.
Not okay yet. It's my leg over. To see it, the seat's the same height as that. So okay, let me go over. Yeah, now lift my leg over.
Okay, you got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Gotta lower. Yeah, you gotta seat. Gotta lower the seat. Gotta automatic seat lower. Drop down.
Yeah, I do. I have it right here. To see how warm it is inside.
Over here. Oh, the whole thing is open. I said I thought another zipper. I feel the heat.
Nice. Looks like here's leaf.
Leak? Here?
No, it's chili. It's a drop of it on your spoon. Could be from when I was filling it.
Don't seem to leak from here.
No, there's a little drop of it on your spoon.
And what is this?
Push pins and magnets.
To eat? Oh,
Yeah, to eat.
I mean, it's an appetizer.
You won't fall out of your seat if you have a magnet in your ass.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's gonna be. It's a to eat as a dessert or appetizer.
We're a real windy place, and we have sandwiches. We like to put a napkin down
Oh,
and eat on people.
good idea.
Push pins. If the table's metal, you use the magnet.
Ah, yeah.
You know me, I come up with ideas.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Not necessarily the good ideas. Sometimes
But it's an idea.
dangerous, but you say, I've been thinking.
Yeah, that's the
Run. You say, check this out. That was Frankie used to say, check this out.
Oh, yeah.
Say, yeah, that's my warning to run. That guy was the foot-headed extremist. Still is, I bet. I don't know. Go on any further.
Oh,
All he did was rant on the phone.
oh.
Every day. Every morning.
Oh. Ja, gaat u wel. block the mail. I mean, block the phone call.
How is the temperature of your room?
It's good. It's warm.
Mine is almost too hot.
Yours almost too hot. I can eat hot stuff, you know. Almost like drinking boiling water. Lucy will testify to that. Oh yeah, I gotta make some more pina colada. Should love pina colada, man. Oh, it was funny when we went to Ohio. I was living out there. We went to tracks. This pizza place make great pina colada. She had 2 of them. She was drunk. She was like, she was just said, "You ever see your mom get drunk?"
Good chili. I forget the brand. I get it at Menards. It's not too spicy for me, but it's got a...
Yeah, it's like San. Just doesn't show you anything on the monitor. Yeah.
As long as it goes, I ain't fixing it.
Yeah.
If it stops going, I'd rather have it go than not go.
Oh, I was gonna ask you. You know, on I know it's throttle and the controller.
Yes.
Can you just have a bite when you build one, just the throttle for the motor? You don't need this to disconnect. You know, you just let go of throttle to.
You don't need nothing. You cannot have this even.
Oh, this throttle.
Depends on the controller, yeah. This one you probably, because that all came as a kit.
Oh.
You might have to have this.
Oh.
David's bike crapped out. It's red over, and the screen was bad because that's tied into yours.
Don't need that.
Yeah, see, this is tied into there.
Oh.
And that's where you maybe if you have the right wire, you put a momentary contact switch to trigger the.
Oh, that's it. To turn it off.
Yeah,
I don't
know. To trigger it.
Oh, so how you turn it off? Nobody disconnect.
You unplug it.
Okay. Yeah, you could do that way. You plug
you
it
can
in.
put a regular switch on, you know.
Yeah.
A relay because it's
Yeah.
high voltage.
Or
And then, yeah.
flip the switch and night switch, right?
Or you get an EDC. I was saying, you probably couldn't hear me. For the big drones, each motor has its own. You could use that on here, and the speed wire, control wire, the data wire, you hook into the throttle, and the other one, 3 wires go to the motor, and 2 to the battery, and that's all you got.
Yeah, I just
You
went
get like a 30 amp,
Oh.
you know?
Yeah, I prefer to try to work like real stat, you know, more or less.
No.
Yeah, no,
It's
DC.
a hall sensor.
Yeah,
The magnet going by a coil.
yeah.
Instead of, I think if you put a rheostat on there, it'll work too. Yeah, I could put a dial, huh?
Yeah.
A little potentiometer.
Yeah, and he's to try to make it go or
No, I think
no.
it actually sends a signal because it gets power to the throttle. It isn't.
Oh.
I guess that would too. Yeah. Here, I'm videoing. Let's see if I can get on here. I can get on better than getting on.
I see a new tire. Yeah.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Yeah.
Got some meat to them. You need a new back tire. I got lots of them. You need a new rear tire on that one. On that bike. It's getting pretty thin.
Yeah.
Not like you off-road much, but yeah, you can switch, I suppose.
it works down too.
Yeah, you better, yeah, but you don't let your front end slide now.
Yeah.
Okay, power.
My tummy is being rubbed.
Your what? Oh, your tummy, she's bathing you?
Yeah,
Oh, I have a perfect timing, don't I?
yeah, I was lunch.
Delicious. And warm. I put
Yeah.
2 hand warmers in there with holes poked in them. On top of it. No, mine was almost too hot.
What did you have for lunch?
Chili and a slice of bread
Oh,
and
you
a
did.
carton of chocolate milk.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Okay, well, I'm about to get back on the trail, so I'll say goodbye for now.
Well, call me when you get back.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Like when we're in the truck heading home.
Okay, that sounds very good. I'm glad you had a nice lunch.
Yep, thank you.
And thank you for calling.
Well, thanks for answering and bye.
I love you.
Love you too. The other thing Holly does is she doesn't hang up. Hey, you want a bicycle? There's tires for the bike. It looks like it's in the garbage. Of course, you can't get in there.
For the fence cutter.
I hear someone. No, there they are. Oh.
Watch
your head, Paul.
And tell me what's wrong
Yeah.
and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
I don't know if
and
we're
fake a smile
recording
until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.